Pool Payday and Cash Giraffe are built around completely different ways of earning rewards. Pool Payday uses competitive 8-ball matches with skills, while Cash Giraffe rewards you for playing participating games and completing eligible activities. By the end, you'll know which one is better for fast rewards, which one involves real money competition, how withdrawals work, and which app makes more sense for your goal. Start with Pool Payday. It's an 8-ball pool game where you can play regular matches or enter cash competitions through Skills IE. The important difference is that cash tournaments require an eligible skills account and available funds for paid competitions. Your potential payout is tied to competition results. You aren't simply collecting points for playing. You have to compete, and the amount you can win depends on the tournament or match you're entering. Pool Payday also has location restrictions for cash competitions. The game's current store listing says cash tournaments aren't available in several US states, so you should check eligibility before depositing money. Cash Giraffe works differently. It is a play and earn rewards app. You earn gems by playing eligible games and completing other activities available through the platform. Those gems can then be exchanged for available rewards such as PayPal cash or gift cards. You don't need to win a head-to-head pool match to earn rewards, which makes the system easier to understand for casual users. There's also a major difference in financial risk. With Cash Giraffe's basic rewards model, you can start earning without entering a paid cash tournament. Your main investment is time. Pool Payday is designed around competitive play. If you're entering cash competitions, you're using money to compete for a cash prize. That means you can potentially win more than a simple rewards app, but you're also taking on the risk that comes with paid competition. Now look at withdrawals. Pool Payday uses skills for its cash competition system, so withdrawal rules can depend on skills' payment and account policies. Skills supports withdrawal methods such as PayPal, but availability depends on your location and account. Cash Giraffe also supports cash rewards, including PayPal where available, but the exact reward options and exchange rates are shown inside the app and can change. So which is better? Choose a Cash Giraffe if you want a simpler play and reward model without paying to enter cash competitions. Choose Pool Payday if you actually enjoy 8-ball pool and want the chance to compete for cash prizes through skills. The biggest difference is simple. Cash Giraffe rewards gameplay and activities, while Pool Payday makes cash competition part of the game. Before using either app, check your current reward options, withdrawal method, and location eligibility. If you want lower financial risk, start with Cash Giraffe. If you want competitive cash games and already enjoy Pool Payday is the more relevant choice. Like the video and subscribe for more real money app comparisons.